What if I told you there's a place where nature doesn't just exist, it takes over? A land where every mountain, fjord, and forest feels like it was made just for you. Welcome to Norway, where each moment leaves a mark on your soul. From towering cliffs to the northern lights, this is a place that doesn't let you leave. It calls you back. Let's dive into the wonders of Norway, where the beauty is endless and the journey is just beginning. We begin with Geirangerfjord, one of the most breathtaking sights you'll ever see. Massive cliffs rise above deep blue waters, and waterfalls tumble from dizzying heights. This place doesn't just capture your eyes, it captures your heart. Once you've seen Geirangerfjord, it pulls you back, and every time you remember it, the wonder returns. From here, we head to the Lofoten Islands, where jagged peaks meet the sea. It's a place that feels alive, with each corner offering a new adventure. From hiking the rugged mountains to exploring vibrant fishing villages, Lofoten's beauty lingers with you, calling you back the moment you leave. And then there's Tromsø, the gateway to the Arctic. In winter, the northern lights dance across the sky, while summer brings the midnight sun. Tromsø isn't just a place you visit. It's a place that stays with you, making you want to return to its Arctic embrace, season after season. Next, let's journey to Bergen, a city that feels like it's frozen in time, surrounded by mountains and fjords. The colorful houses of Bryggen and panoramic views from Mount Fløyen don't just impress, they stay with you, looping back into your memories every time you think of Norway. And for the adventurers, Preikestolen, Pulpit Rock, is a must-see. Standing 604 meters above the Lysefjord, the view from the top feels like the edge of the world. The hike is challenging, but the reward is something unforgettable, a moment that lingers, urging you to come back and relive it again. Ålesund's Art Nouveau architecture and sweeping views from Mount Axla are a sight to behold. This town, with its intricate details and colorful facades, invites you in, and once you've experienced its charm, you'll find yourself drawn back, just as you would to an old friend. Farther north lies Nordkapp, the North Cape. At the edge of Europe, with the Arctic Ocean stretching out in front of you, you'll feel a rare, almost magical sense of isolation. It's a feeling that stays with you, a quiet, powerful memory that keeps calling you back to the top of the world. Then we come to the Atlantic Ocean Road, a stunning drive that connects islands with bridges that seem to defy gravity. The road twists, turns, and loops across the sea, and as you drive, the landscape never stops impressing. Each curve brings a new wonder, and each one loops you further into Norway's wild beauty. In the Hardangerfjord region, you'll find waterfalls cascading into the clear waters below. The landscape here isn't just scenic, it's tranquil, inviting you to pause and let the beauty settle in. This place lingers in your thoughts, pulling you back to its peaceful shores time and time again. Svalbard, located far above the Arctic Circle, is a world of glaciers, polar bears, and untouched landscapes. The silence here is unlike anything you've ever experienced, and the beauty of the frozen wilderness doesn't just leave an impression, it echoes in your mind long after you've left. And then, Oslo, where the modern city meets the natural world in perfect harmony. The Oslo Opera House rises from the fjord, while lush forests surround the city. Oslo's vibrant energy loops back into you, inviting you to return again, as it effortlessly blends urban life with natural beauty. From the fjords to the Arctic, from the cities to the wild expanses, Norway is a place that never lets you go. Every corner you turn, every experience you have stays with you and calls you back for more. It's not just a place, it's an endless journey, one that loops through your heart, always drawing you in. Thanks for joining us on this unforgettable journey through the wonders of Norway. If you felt that pull, if you can already hear Norway calling you back, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more incredible destinations. Do you want to see the most unreal places in the world? Watch this video right here. See you there.